how to use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to double right click on the video. Yes, right click, not the left one. You need to double tap your right click of the mouse and you would see this option of enter picture-in-picture mode. And if you want to use your left click, then just simply press Ctrl on your keyboard and then double left click and you would see this option, enter picture-in-picture mode. And if you click over here, this is how it will come up, and here you can pause and play and rewind and forward by 10 seconds. You can also increase its size, but not more than this, I guess. Yes, not more than this. And this is how it will work. And if you want to get back to the previous screen, simply click on this option and it will be back to the video that you were playing earlier on YouTube. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.